Standing on the edge of the Giants Causeway, I can't help but marvel at these incredible interlocking basalt columns. Formed around 60 million years ago from volcanic activity, they create a stunning natural wonder. But legend has it that these stones were built by giants. According to myth, the giant Fionn MacCumhaill constructed the causeway to challenge a rival giant in Scotland. The story is rich with adventure, but the science tells a different tale. The unique hexagonal shapes were formed as molten lava cooled and cracked, creating this breathtaking landscape. So, is it nature or myth? Perhaps it's both. The Giants Causeway is a testament to the power of nature, while the legends remind us of the human imagination that seeks to explain the wonders around us.